Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and save a Canva design. So yeah, this is Canva. Everyone knows about it. It's a platform where you can make photos and also you can create videos. There is a lot of options what you can do on here. So the first thing you want to do is log in, but if you haven't signed up already, I suggest just click sign up. So I'm going to sign up and you just want to continue with email, and I'm just going to use a temp email for this video, and you just want to write your name and you will get a code. Once you get the code, just put that in, just give it a second, and there you go, there is the code. And you just want to copy this. Here we go, copy this and then log in. And I'm just going to go there, maybe later, and I'm just going to do personal and maybe later and skip. And now we are in Canva. So now you want to create a design. So I'm just going to go a YouTube thumbnail. So if you're creating one, you just want to go here and just click on one that you want to use. So there's heaps of templates that you can use. Just make sure you're doing a free version, not the pro version. See, this one is a pro version. So I'm just going to go maybe probably here and customize this template. I'm just going to write Canva tutorial, and you can just change the photo real quick. You click done, and you just want to go here, skip to, and you can change it to anything that you want. So I'm going to go to, I just want to write girl, and you just want to go photos. You want to make sure it's not pro version. You just want to click that, put that there, and you just change this to whatever you want. Just delete it. And if you want to download it, all you got to do is click share, and you want to go download. So there is a few options that you can do. One is JPEG, best for sharing; PNG, best for complex images, illustrations; PDF standard, best for documents; PDF print, best for printing; SVG, best for web design and animations; and MP4 video, high quality video; and GIF. But I'm going to use JPEG, so you just want to click JPEG, and you just want to click download. So here is your image. This is how you create a Canva design and save it. And yeah, and that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button and comment, and thank you. Bye.